Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems. Whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide, we have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to add products on Shopify store. First of all, you can open the Shopify application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can see the product icon at the bottom right corner of the screen that is next to the three dots. Tap on it, and here you can see the option add your products. Tap on add your products, and after this you can just simply add images to your products and write the details of your product. And after filling all the informations, you can now tap on save, and it is a way you can add products on Shopify store. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes our browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.